entire fact was predicated on a lie which was spread that there is a money trail, a considerable money trail between the Republic Media Network and Hansa. This was at the core of the issue, and if this could have been proven, that was the core of the entire investigation. And therefore, despite clarification, the Mumbai police has kept on saying, Kanchanda, no, there is a money trail, there is a money trail, there is a money trail. There is an absolute money trail, and there's an undeniable money trail, and there's a financial trail to this, because they have to establish the financial connection out here. They have to establish that we paid Hansa or Hansa paid us. That was the core of the charge. And despite the clarifications, they kept planting the story, no, there is a money trail, money trail, money trail, money trail, money trail. And the word money trail is usually used to describe illegal financial transactions between two parties. So the idea was a lie repeated 1,000 times becomes the truth. So you keep saying there's an illegal financial transaction between two interested parties. Now tell me, after these press releases, can you tell me, PK Jain, what is the illegal financial transaction between Hansa and Republic?
See, if the police is saying something, they must be having in their hand, number one. Number two, see, all this can be proved or not proved only after the forensic audit of the accounts of both the companies. In the absence of any forensic audit of the accounts of both the companies, nobody will be in a position to finally come to a conclusion.
No, one second. PK,
listen to me.
PK, 1 minute. No, PK, see, listen, I'm interrupting because we're moving fast in the debate. PK, listen. Okay, Kanchan, wait, let him complete. Kanchana, let him complete. Kanchana, let him complete. He's making his point. Let him complete.
With an opinion. Without
see, the case will not fall apart. See, Arnab, the case will not fall apart till the time the IO says so. So either the IO has to say so or the court has to say so.
So
unless there is a clear verdict on that,
is that there has been no business transaction with Republic TV for the last 2 years.
They may say anything, they may claim anything.
Sir, please wait.
At least let me complete my sentence. At least let me please complete my sentence. I will hear you after I complete it. You are not even allowing me to speak. I speak one sentence and you object to it. Please let me speak first. What I am trying to say is that unless the investigation is over, unless the forensic audit is complete.
No, 1 minute.
The whole idea is keep on throwing dirt at Republic TV.
Yeah.
Through innuendo,
so is Arnab throwing dirt at the CP. So is Arnab throwing dirt at the CP without proving anything.
My question is, I am, 1 minute, just a minute. First of all, PK, if you are debating, then you must listen, okay? Now 1 point, just 1 point.
So
1 minute, just wait a minute. Now you can't, no, your problem is that you are a weak debater. And you're showing the propensities of a weak debater. The weak debater, 1 minute. The weak debater, 1 minute. PK, you tell me right now, you came on my program and you said that there is a gap in my transactions. You came in my program. Yeah, you say, on what basis did you say? On what basis did you say? On what basis did you say?
Because you said that you had done a business of 108 lakhs and you were giving account of only 32 lakhs.
Okay.
So there was a gap in the account.
So listen.
Subsequently explained.
No, 1 second. Now wait. You made a statement. Don't repeat it. Now you will listen when I'm responding to you.
Okay.
Here is a case, viewers. They said there is a 32 lakh rupee transaction, which is a dubious, suspicious, illegal transaction between Hansa and Republic. I said, Kanchanda, that you are wrong. It is not 32 lakhs. It is 1 crore 8 lakhs 64,496 rupees. I put it out there. They said you have done an illegal transaction of 32 lakhs. I said you are wrong. I have done a transaction of, in 1 year, 91 lakhs 96,306 rupees. And in the next year, 2018-19, 16 lakhs 68,190 rupees, totaling a transaction of 108 lakhs 64,496 rupees. If I had anything to hide, Kanchan Gupta, would I be saying to the police that you are wrong, I have done much more transactions. I have done 3 times the transactions that you are claiming. Let's be logical here.
No, these details are of no consequence at the moment. Now, if you look at the police statement and if you look at Hansa's statement today, when Hansa tried to explain to the police, they were told to shut up. At least according to Hansa, they were told to shut up.
Absolutely.
And they were told to answer only what they were asked.
Yes.
They tried to explain the transactions and that it is not a part of the main Hansa operation, that they have business transactions with more than 50 television channels, and that for the last 2 years there have been no transactions.
Yes.
When they tried to explain it, the police over there told them that
We are not
just
interested.
shut up.
Yeah, shut up.
We are
They
not
said shut up.
interested.
Yes, they
And
said
we
shut
have
up.
Mr. Jain over here
Yeah.
waxing eloquent on what it means and what it doesn't
Kanchanda,
mean.
you are a senior reporter. Tell me what is
He's
the
not a
source of
senior
that information?
reporter. He's a very senior editor. Thank you.
I am a
Okay,
nobody.
you are a senior editor.
Sir, I am
Tell me
just a
what is the
citizen
source
of
of your
this
information?
country. I am
Tell
just
me
a
the source
citizen of this
information.
country.
No, you
And I am
are speaking
appalled.
as if you were present
I am
at the time
appalled.
of Hansa statement.
I am appalled.
PK Jain,
that
PK
the
Jain,
democracy-
1 minute.
Time of the record.
Viewers, this is wonderful. Viewers, this is wonderful. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. No. Let me ask Kanchana 1 minute. Sanju Gupta, this is marvelous. This is fabulous. 4 days ago on this show, with PK Jain present, everyone's on. I showed the papers, and now my question is this. They are asking me what is the source of your information that you have done transactions of 1 crore 8,64,496 rupees. PK Jain, I'm happy to inform
not
you.
asking that. I'm
1 minute,
asking
1
Kanchana
minute,
on
1 minute,
this is the
1 minute,
statement.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. They are asking me, Sanju, and PK, just listen, if you are getting shredded live on the show, enjoy it. Question is, Sanju, they asked me, how do you know? Are Baba, I am the editor-in-chief, I am the managing director, I am the sole promoter and the owner of the network. If I don't know what my books are, you will know. Second point is, how does Hansa know? Hansa is the owner of the company. The person who is mentioned here is Shekhar Swamy, who is the group CEO and one of the shareholders of the company. And out here, there is Guru Ram and LLP Chartered Accountants, one of the most famous auditing firms, statutory auditors. Now, you people, basically, I'm telling you a bit of more than you can chew. This extortionist method, Sanju, laga do. Put any allegation, reverse engineer it, push them. The fact is they are not being able to do these are the usual tactics because we are a media house. Everything we do is in the public domain.